Today I'm doing a review on Outre's Melted Hairline collection. I have 3 wigs here that I picked up that I will be trying on and doing a show and tell for you all. I heard a lot about this collection, can't wait to try it. Let's get into it. I'm going in with my hot comb to just press everything into place. I like to press my baby hairs so that when I do lay them, they may lay nice and smooth. And then I'm also hitting the roots of my wig as well. Now that that's complete, I'm going in with a pressed powder that is near to my skin tone to go ahead and tint my lace. And this is what the lace is looking like after it's been tinted. Now, last but not least, we have Myranda in the color Red Velvet. Now, for all my wigs, I went ahead and used my hot comb to press down my baby hairs and cut off the lace, as well as tinting.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to start off with the most natural color wig that I got, which is Zandra in the color 1B. This is the card for it. It comes with natural baby hairs, a redesigned comfort ear contour fit, a pre-attached elastic band, and deluxe wide lace part. This is what it looks like. It comes, here's the lace part. Here is your elastic band. It comes with a comb in the back, a comb on either side, no comb in the front, but it does come with an elastic band.
I'm just cutting off the ear tabs and then going in and cutting off some excess lace. Video, I am slightly securing some of my wigs with a hard hold spray, specifically got to be glue spray, but for the purposes of this video, I'm not doing the most to secure these down. Trying to decide whether or not I will be cutting this wig. As you can see on the right hand side, it is very longer, so it gives you this like asymmetrical bob type look. Not too sure how I feel about it quite yet. This color and style honestly takes the cake. Do you see the bang? It's just so well curled. I literally did not have to do any work on this wig aside from cutting the lace. As you can see, the lace is not secured when I tried this on, but this is honestly my favorite. the color on my skin, I mean, wow, this has really got me considering dyeing my natural hair.
So now that I've tried on all 3 wigs, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite and which one you would like to check out. Now, I definitely would recommend these wigs. These are great beginner-friendly synthetic wigs. Because one, not only does it come with that elastic band in the back that, allows this to, really get that melted hairline feel. It's also pre-plucked. I didn't do very much plucking or, customization to any of these. Maybe the black one I did the most to, but I really barely touched this. Right? And you can see how well the parting is, how well it comes with baby hairs, which I kind of did, barely, just to give this like a more natural look. This is definitely beginner friendly. Really, all you need to do is cut off the lace, put it on your head, and you don't even need to glue it down. Now for me, I'd likely wear these out, so I'd just like glue down the sides just so that these are secure, because this up top is very secure. It's the ear tabs that would just need to be glued down with some got to be glue spray, or some olive oil hard hold spray. Any hard hold spray would work. But overall, I really like all 3 wigs. My personal favorite is Sabrina, and that was the orange-ish color. I've never done a color like this. I've done black, I've done red. Not in a shortcut, so that's why I got this. But I really wanted to try some new colors, so I think this is a great line if you are trying to, just try something new and not break the bank, and to see if you really like it before you get, a human hair wig, or, get bundles installed. I would definitely purchase these again. I plan on getting the other styles in different colors. I want to try a blonde. I've never done blonde hair. Don't know, not sure how that would look on me. But yeah, like I said, this is a great brand to use and try if you're just trying to test out a new style, a new color, without breaking the bank. Like I said, these were all less than $40, and everything that I used, as well as the link to where I purchased these wigs, is in the description box below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, more wig reviews, and let me know what you think. So thank y'all so much for tuning in, and if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, you share it with your friends and family, and you subscribe to my channel. I will see y'all next time.